Are you looking for the best rifle scopes for 300 yards? In this video we will look at some of the best rifle scopes for 300 yards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, UTG 312x44 30mm compact scope. When you're looking for a great combination of performance and affordability, look no further than this UTG compact scope. It has an outstanding magnification range, starting at 3x and going all the way up to 12x. With a parallax-free design after 10 yards, it's an excellent choice for short, mid, and long-range applications. Moreover, it comes with a lifetime warranty, so it's the last rifle scope that you'll need to purchase. But while there is a ton to love about this scope, it's not perfect. First, the eye relief is a bit sharp, ranging from 3 inches to 3.4 inches. From there, you need to double check your scope as soon as you get it. While these are great scopes, there are a few problems with quality control, but if you do run into any issues, the company will gladly fix them for you. At number 2, Monstrum 27x32mm rifle scope. If you're looking for the best rifle scope for 300 yards for the money, it's hard to beat the Monstrum rifle scope. It's an extremely affordable option with a good magnification range that starts at 2x and powers up to 7x. Furthermore, it has an illuminated reticle with 5 different brightness settings, and it has decent eye relief, ranging from 3.5 inches to 3.8 inches. However, it only comes with a 1-year warranty, and if you're not an experienced shooter, it can be challenging to hit targets 300 yards out with only 7x magnification. The illuminated reticle helps, but hitting a 300-yard target is hard enough. With a lower magnification setting, it's even more challenging. At number 3, Vortex Optics Diamondback Tactical Rifle Scopes. Vortex Optics is well known for making high-quality optics, and its Diamondback Tactical Rifle Scope line is no exception. There are 2 magnification ranges to choose from, and both excel at hitting targets 300 yards out. You can pick either a 4x to 16x magnification range or a 6x to 24x range. Both options are expensive, but they come with a lifetime warranty, so this is the last scope that you'll need to purchase. Even better, it utilizes a first focal plane reticle, and there are side parallax adjustment knobs that give you maximum precision no matter the distance of your shot. Finally, you can choose from 2 different reticle options when making your purchase, which gives you even more versatility to find the perfect scope for you. At number 4, Bushnell Engage Riflescope. Bushnell is a brand known for making long-lasting optics, and its Engage Riflescope fits that narrative. It comes with a lifetime warranty and a great magnification range that starts at 2.5x and maxes out at 10x power. Even better, it has 3.6 inches of eye relief and a side focus parallax adjustment knob. However, while this is a more expensive option, it doesn't have an illuminated reticle, and doesn't use a first focal plane design. These aren't deal breakers, but for the price, we wish that it had these additional features. But this is a long-lasting rifle scope that can easily get the job done up to and over 300 yards if you know what you're doing. At number 5, Nikon M Tactical Rifle Scope. An outstanding rifle scope option is the Nikon M Tactical. Like other top options, it comes with a lifetime warranty, but it is more expensive. You do get tons of features with the higher price, which more than justifies it. Nikon uses a multi-coated coating that gives you a bright view, and the 4x to 16x magnification range is an outstanding choice for 300-yard targets. Moreover, it has a quick focus eyepiece that allows you to change magnification levels with ease. But getting Nikon to honor its lifetime warranty can be a bit difficult. Nikon makes tons of products, and its Riflescope line isn't at the top of the list. So, when someone calls about a faulty product, it can be challenging to get support. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.